Alright, today we got a Saturn and a failed emissions test at a catalytic efficiency code P0420. And the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of look at my oxygen sensor voltages for bank 1 and bank 2. I don't see it has some glare on it. See if just the brightness of the screen. As you can see, there's quite a bit of activity when you go bank 2. And then, if you rev up the RPM, try to get this to show up, but you can't really see it. That looks good. And then if you look at AC frame 150, they both have that bit spike there, in between 200 and 150. They really don't, they almost mirror each other. It's starting to warm up now, so it's not quite as bad as it was, but I took some pictures of it before it warmed all up. Let's see if I can get you in on this. And you see frame 100, how it mirrors that right here, mirrors frame 100 on your short term, or on your bank 2, bank 1. I'm not a camera guy, so this kind of sucks, but there we go. See, right? Let me find it with my finger right there. Mirrors that. It's both frame 100, and they kind of fall. That fall is in the same spot, but we're gonna do something else too. We're going to take this in a little test drive. Now you can use a strobe for this too, but I just want to, I've never really played around with this. I'm just playing around seeing what I can see, what I can't see. But we'll go for a little test drive. Sounds like saying it struts. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to come out here, hopefully traffic stops for a second, and we're just going to do a quick little wide throttle pull. And that should get your fuel trims rich, your oxygen sensors to go high, and then you're going to compare that to your bank 1, bank 2. So, pull out here. That should be good. Alright. Filming and messing with scan tools and doing all this at the same time is probably not the smartest idea, but I don't see how this ain't past safety inspection. There's something clunking around pretty good. Sounds like a control arm bushing or something. You kind of feel it in your feet. Alright. No. Let's go back through my buffer and see if I caught that. Alright, that's not going to work because this thing doesn't grab fast enough. I was at wide open throttle for a little while, but as you can see, refresh rate isn't quite there, but I mean, it still shows you, still can see what I'm trying to say. See right here where it went rich, and immediately after that, when I started letting off, it dropped. Sensor 1 did the same thing. Those two shouldn't have been identical like that. I mean, that's the same frame. You know, that this one, sensor 2, should have been delayed. So say it dropped off at frame 10, this one should have dropped off frame 0. You know, there should be a little bit of a delay between those, but that's how you can see if you really have a catalyst problem or not. But again, I might try showing some strobe waveforms or something, but I don't really have any propane. That's another way you could do it too. Instead of driving it like that, is you hook up your strobe, and then you turn your propane on into the intake and drive the fuel or the oxygen sensors full rich, and then as soon as you shut it off, sensor 1 would drop off, and then sensor 2 should have a delay when it drops off. It's called the oxygen storage test. But I'm gonna see if I have any propane or anything in there. If not, well, this is just a little video. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.